Let's open and see what is this. Okay, let's see what is here. Scotch mailing box. Oh, what is this? Well, I need two hands to open this. Let's just go for this one first. Ooh, a finder scope. Right angle, correct image finder scope. And both caps are there. That's beautiful. Let me put these things away. Okay, let's see. The diagonal is Celestron. And finder, oh, it's a Lumicon. It's a quality Lumicon one, and it comes with a Skywatcher Orion style dovetail. That is great. Let's remove this. This is quality. It's around 1.5 kilo in weight. I'm telling you, it's not light. Let me open this. Beautiful Lumicon finder scope. This is the best for the Dobsonian. And this is a 25 calendar eyepiece on it. Oh, this is so useful. It's a pain to look through those normal ones. These right angle correct image ones are brilliant. We purchased one and we got these things. That's really good. We put it in good use. This Lumicon with the 40mm Ostara is such a good thing. I can see the M51 with this, the Galaxy. Oh god, that's really good. That's really amazing. The best finder. I wish I could get more of it. They're quite expensive. Oh, blimey. M57. I never saw it so clear. This Delos 10mm is excellent. I must say that I like this Lumicon 50mm 20cm focal length with this 40mm Ostara, because you can actually change the eyepiece of this. Practically I could see the whole of the Lyra and easily find the target. And then bang, M57 was in the center of the view. Big, lovely. Ooh, wow.